Welcome to a session on policy enforcement for microservices. An individual microservice typically implements a single functional responsibility and may be consumed by other software components at any layer or tier of the system. They are deployed, managed, and scaled on its own without the need to coordinate with other components in the system. This process needs management of different services through policy enforcement. And finally, since these individual microservice instances are frequently short-lived and multiple instances of a microservice are often run and then shut down in order to meet the dynamic performance needs of the system, there needs to be a central point for managing all of these individual services. Microservices, a collection of loosely coupled services that enables you to build business capabilities quickly and deliver solutions for a wide range of platforms. However, enforcing and providing security and compliance over a network of microservices is challenging for individuals who are responsible in building and maintaining a system of microservices. CA Micro Gateway provides developers with security policy so that they can set up security standards and compliance standards to microservices. Shared capabilities enables teams to share the services across the teams. These are standardized things like container technology, policy enforcement, service orchestration, and data storage services. Policy enforcement point is critical for microservices as more and more services leverage shared orchestration and security capabilities. The API can be deployed at runtime or deployment time. A CA Micro Gateway functions as an intermediary. The client needs to communicate only with the CA Micro Gateway, which then makes the necessary API calls and orchestration in the background. Policy Manager or Quick Start templates are used for securing or managing the services in the Micro Gateway. Along with shared security, sometimes additional policy services are shared. These are services that are used to enforce company-specific patterns or models, often at runtime through a kind of inspection or even invasive testing. One of the major issues when it comes to microservices is building a system that would then govern each of these individual services, be it enforcing security or advanced orchestration. In this particular example, we are looking at using the Micro Gateway's Quick Start capability to publish an API proxy from a JSON file. You are able to see the proxy that was published using the JSON file. The proxy we published gets the IP of the host machine. We then test the proxy to get the IP. Next, we are going to create a service that proxies the Google Maps API, but restricts access by IP address obtained in the previous step. Finally, we'll create another service that proxies the Google Maps API, but allows access from our IP address. All of these services is being created using the Quick Start template, and this can be created by connecting the Micro Gateway to the Policy Manager as well. Assertions can also be used to create these same services on the CA Micro Gateway. With the CA Micro Gateway and CA API Gateway, you are able to effectively and efficiently manage individual services in design time and in runtime without compromising security or scalability. Thank you.